Okay, welcome to week one. Just some things I want to go over with you about this week, and it'll be the same setup throughout the semester or throughout the course. Um, each week you'll have module resources and you'll have module assignments. Most weeks I will have what you're doing right now, click and listen, where I go over some information about the topics or the module for that week. Um, if there's discussion boards, your discussion boards will be rated by the discussion board form rubric. And so it's the same thing for each week. One thing that you need to work on for the first week is you need to introduce yourself in the discussion forum and also take the course information quiz. And then you also want to sign up for Remind, because Remind and announcements is where I'll get information out to you. Also, one thing that I want to really stress, actually, there's two things I want to stress. Each week, when I have module resources, make sure you're viewing those module resources, because I will check to see if you have viewed them. And also, with your discussion forums, do not wait until the last day to post your discussion forum. Each discussion forum, you're going to have to post your form, and then you have to reply to two other students or classmates. You can't wait until the last day to do this, because that's not fair. It's like having a conversation with yourself on the phone. So your grade is determined on how early you post and posting and replying to others. So again, each week the format will be similar to this, and then I'll have weeks open in the next few days. I'll open up a couple weeks at a time, so you can be working ahead. Please contact me if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks. I'm looking forward to having you in the class.